Welcome to the new Rocket Media video lesson on creating microservices. In this video, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and publish our minimal API to a local folder. Then, we'll look at putting a Razor page front end on our database, creating a micro app, then publishing our app to the cloud. To publish our minimal API, right-click on the project file. Select Publish from the menu. Select Folder from the Publish menu. Click the Next button. Browse to the folder where the project is to be published. Click the Publish button when ready. Next, we'll look in our target location to see the resulting files in their new home. We can scroll down to find our application. Double-click on the executable to test fly our app. Here we see the Kestrel server starts up, and we can view our database in the browser on the product's route. Now, let's create a micro app to view our data on a Razor page. We'll create a new project by selecting the ASP.NET Core web app with Razor pages. Then click the Next button. Give the project a name and a place to live, then click the Next button. Here, we'll enable container support, select the Windows OS, and a .NET SDK build type. These selections will facilitate publishing to the Azure App Services. Now we can add our models folder to hold our products.cs file. This is where we'll put our properties to match our database schema. Next, we'll drill down to the index.cs HTML code behind file. Here's where we'll declare our list of products. Here's where we'll put the list of products method that will generate our database in memory instead of an external SQL database. Let's get rid of these red squigglies. Now let's handle the GET request. Here's where the Razor page magic happens. We'll put a using statement after the page directive. Then we'll put the page's namespace in front of the index model directive. Let's put a better title here. Now, we'll replace the welcome stub with a table description that matches our product model. And we can test fly it by clicking the play button. The project compiles, runs, spawns a Kestrel server, and launches a browser window showing the Razor page. Let's make that table a little prettier by adding some style right here. That should do it. Let's publish this. To publish our micro app, right-click on the project and select Publish from the menu. We'll be publishing our project to the Azure's App Service. Click the Publish button when ready to publish. The successful publish also spawns a browser window showing the app's results. We can also see where the web app lives in Azure App Services. Click on the default domain link to see the app running in the cloud. Well, there we have it. We've published our microservice and our micro app successfully. Thanks for watching, and see ya, coders.